I'm Doug Nahas. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at NASA Federal Credit Union. We're a $5.4 billion institution with 240,000 members. We really drive technology and innovation as the way to drive efficiencies in our business. And the goal of efficiencies is not just to be efficient and save money. We really do it to offer better services and products to our members, because if we could drive costs down, we could then push it through as better rates or services. And innovation is just our key pillar to what we do over at NASA. We have an incredible tech team, incredible operations team. Everybody's highly seasoned and highly engaged. Our member to employee ratio is very small because we try to do a lot with a little, and that's our main focus. Really started with our loan and membership applications. We really tried to make them less friction for onboarding, and what we found was there's some really bad actors that like to either create synthetic IDs, first-party fraud, third-party fraud, and really try to perpetrate good people, right? Nobody really wants to take over the profile of somebody that can't get a loan, so they tend to take over the profile of people that can get loans. So we started to see an influx of applications, both in membership and loans, and we had a really good fraud team, except we kept building it up. It was very siloed, it was very fragmented, and every department seem to have their own structure and tools in place. So kind of third-party signals. We have a bunch of third-party partners we were using. So we really needed a platform that could bring it all together, and that's why we turned to DataVisor. We just found that DataVisor was the right partner. They knew data first, and that was what was important to us. Our first 3-year focus with DataVisor was on fraud. When we originally engaged DataVisor, we really focused on the rules engine. And then from the rules engine, we were just replicating a lot of rules, streamlining our processes. So we were able to save in a lot of FTEs. Next, we stepped into the knowledge graphs. We were able to create links between different bad actors. That was a really labor-intensive process to find IP addresses, related devices. So DataVisor was able to centralize that within their hub. After that, we started to play with the supervised machine learning, and that was where the secret sauce started to hit. And we had one interesting story. We were finding some traits going back and forth on some loan applications, and we actually saw one slip through. So we went back to DataVisor and asked them, what did the models miss here? And they were quick to just roll out an unsupervised machine learning model. And that was our first introduction to the sexy, dangerous, unsupervised machine learning, as I call it. I think if you look at DataVisor, new in the credit union space, right, it's a little bit of a risk for us to go with them, but I think our engagements with them have proven what a great partner they are. I'm a big advocate with my credit union peers talking about DataVisor. They've really earned our business. We meet with them weekly, our fraud team, tuning models, checking systems, reviewing data files, but it goes beyond that. We're moving from a AML BSA partner that we have today that's been in the industry for years. It's a behemoth, it has a pretty interface, it's a great system. We're building a system out of the box with DataVisor because we really believe in their models. And within 6 months, we have really created a BSA AML solution with them. We have daily, weekly meetings. We're meeting with their chief product officer, their engineers, and it's one of these feedback loops where they really listen to us and take our feedback. And I don't want to say they provide a customized solution, because sometimes that's dangerous, but they listen to the problem that we're trying to solve, and they give the correct job to be done and make that happen.